Hello, my name is Brenda Heyward. This information you may view may need to be asked of a specialist. I am not an attorney, real estate agent, or tax accountant. This video will highlight some of the marketing paperwork needed when you decide to sell your home. This video is called Part 2 of 3, What Documents Are Needed to Sell Your Home, Marketing Paperwork. This video will highlight additional information to your questions on what other information can be helpful and added to your need to know list. Viewers, I hope you brought your notebook and pencil. Sellers, have you gathered your home repair and maintenance records? Over the years you have lived in your property, you may have done repairs and yearly maintenance reports. These repairs can assist you if asked if the item ever had a problem or is currently functioning at this time. It also helps if the repairs had warranties connected that can be passed on to the new buyer. These records could also alert the buyers by letting them know that yearly monthly maintenance on certain items is done. Your records should show some of the following records: maintenance receipts such as roof repairs, chimney cleaning, appliance warranty plan, also dated records on most recent painting, gutter cleaning, window washing, and utility maps for your electricity and gas systems. These records can help if any of them come back from the inspection report from the buyers asking for maintenance updates and repairs. Sellers, have you made any major capital improvements to your home? Please find these receipts. Capital improvements are things such as kitchen, bath remodeling, the addition of a pool, and replacement of a roof. These items may mitigate the capital gains taxes you owe on your home sale by adding the cost to your adjusted cost received from the sale. When it comes to tax time, receipts for that capital improvement will make it easier to add over the period of ownership of your house. Please hang on to those receipts. Just a heads up, capital improvements do not include maintenance and regular home repairs. Capital improvements are items that increase the value of your home only. Sellers, have you located the manuals and warranties? This is similar to home repairs and maintenance records. Appliance manuals and warranties let the buyer know what they are inheriting, what they move onto the property. These manuals and warranties are things like the washer and dryer, refrigerators, dishwashers, stoves, and garbage compactors or disposals. Sellers, have you pulled out the last year's past utility bills? Buyers can use this information just to ascertain the cost of the utilities once they purchase their home. Buyers like to know the electricity, gas, water, and sewer bill costs that they need to budget each month. You are not required to provide this information. However, if asked, you can estimate if asked, and not at least you were prepared for the question. If asked, considering offering them a copy regardless of if they are digital or hard copies. Sellers, have you communicated with the title company and received the preliminary title report? A preliminary title report is a financial and legal summary document that let the seller know if they have any outstanding liens on the property before the property is put on the market. If you think about it, a copy can give you an opportunity to correct the situation if need be. Being safe is a great place to be when you're trying to sell your property. The preliminary report has a listing of the recorded taxes owed and the property on what conditions and restrictions are also recorded against the property. This allows you as a seller to disclose these restrictions and information to your agent and buyers who are thinking about purchasing your home. You, the seller, can get a copy of the title report. However, just a heads up, it may cost a few $100s. Have you and your agent made a list of disclosures that the buyer should be aware of? Disclosures are very important when it comes to passing information on to the new buyer. Transparency on anything and everything is important to this transaction. This includes knowing whether your house has lead-based paint or asbestos within your home. Just a note to let you know that are mandatory disclosure laws in place that the buyer must become aware of, including any hazards affecting the property prior to sale. Some of the mandatory disclosures include lead-based paint, asbestos, environmental hazards such as gas, oil, or toxic chemicals, water damage, defects, malfunctions, or major appliances or systems, neighborhood nuisances, and past disputes over things like the property lines or fencing upkeep. Sellers, have you thought about hiring a home inspector? Hiring a home inspector gives you an opportunity to get your home inspection. If any major material defects are found, you are aware of what is and negotiate with the buyer on the price, with the price later if it is found. The pre-inspection also allows you an opportunity to repair any needed repairs found prior to accepting a purchase agreement on your home. Just a heads up, a pre-listing inspection means disclosure what the inspection turned up and the buyers too before they make an offer. Sellers, have you checked to see if your location requires a natural hazards report to be given to the buyer? For example, if you live in California, this natural hazards report is required because the buyers need to know how hazardous is the property. The state of California is more prone to mudslides, brush fires, and earthquakes. This enables the buyers the opportunity to judge whether they are willing to accept a risk of living on the property. You truly wouldn't want to surprise the buyers if you lived along the California fault lines. Some of the areas may have flood hazards, fires, and wildfires, radon gas explosion, air point influence area, Megan's Law disclosures, and military ordnance. Please let me know if you like this video by clicking a thumbs up or leaving comments. Also, if you have time, check out some of the other videos that may answer a few of your questions you may have. My name is Brenda Heyward, and thank you for your time.